Well, it's 7 a.m. Just broke a brake line on the truck as we were getting ready to load the Camaro on the trailer to take it to my buddy's shop to get the Flowmaster exhaust on. So I guess the neighbors are about to get an early 7 a.m. Saturday morning wake-up call. Got the exhaust all packed up in the back seat now. It's not a very far drive, so the car's all inspected, insured, registered and everything. So hopefully the cops won't give us too much trouble if we could stop along the way. We'll see you there. See ya.